Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily disinstall or delete AVG Antivirus from your Windows 11 computer. To begin, go to the search bar and type Settings. Click on the Settings icon to open the file for settings. At this stage on the left panel, click on Applications or Apps. Click on Install Apps. Wait a few seconds for the interface to load. At this stage, we see here that should be a number seen next to AVG Free Antivirus, but it doesn't. But we see the three dots. You can click on it and click Uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. You can go ahead and click Uninstall. Click Yes. And the process should begin. You'll be requested or required to restart your computer to finalize the process. So here, Uninstall. You can choose whatever reasons. Uninstall. And the installing process should start. Usually it should take up to 2 or 3 minutes, not more than that. You can either restart now or choose to restart later if necessary. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.